I'm checking in. You guys waiting to see right here. What's up? Well, let me show you what we got. How we rolling today? We going in all Canary, baby. What is good? What is Gucci with this shit though? This shit just balling. This is fucking insane. Just balling right now. Please tell me something right now. What the fuck does this look like? It's outrageous. This is outrageous. Please. Somebody tell me what is going on. This is going too fucking ham. Too fucking ham. Let go. You know, this is just this. Check it out. A few things I'll show today. Jesus piece, 40. Canary bracelet, 70. Rosary, 40. Lego, hiphopbling.com. Check out his eyes. You guys want to see a nice look on them eyes? Check out them eyes. Those eyes are beautiful. Yes. Yes. All of it.